Choose to rent. Advancing events through technology.
In this video, we will cover how to replace color ink cartridges when they are running low. On the printer screen, you will see an ink is low message. It's time to replace the ink. Open the ink cartridge door. Take the new cartridge out of the box and gently shake it, up to 15 times. Eject the old cartridge by pressing in the blue lever and replace it with the new one. Once the door is closed, you are all set. The maintenance box stores ink that gets flushed from the system during print head cleaning. When the maintenance box is at the end of its service life, you need to replace it. First, remove the new box from the packaging. Open the maintenance box cover and place the old box in the provided plastic bag and seal it. Place the new box into the printer and close the cover. Press the pause button on the printer and you will be ready to print. A full ink bar signifies a new ink box has been inserted. When there is no access to the support video, how-to instructions can also be found in the printer's help menu. For more information, visit choose2rent.com/help.